new generation of factory has arrived. This isn't just a cosmetic upgrade. The smooth shadment line and high-tech color scheme reflect our unwavering commitment to stability and precision. We've equipped it with a new intelligent light strip that changes color according to the bending stage, helping operators quickly identify the current working mode and improving safety. This machine has been equipped with a front support to hold lashes, preventing sagging, and ensure consistent bending angles along the entire length. Laser protection devices are installed on both sides of the machine, providing real-time laser detection for absolute operational safety. Auxiliary guide rails ensure stable operation of the large machine's cylinder. Every detail of this innovation is designed to make operation easier, processing more precise, and efficiency even higher. Most importantly, the upgraded Imperial Mini doubles the functionality. Want to experience how this can empower your factory? Contact us now.